Now that we're in the Shopify dashboard, the first thing we want to do is choose a theme for our store. The theme sets the overall look and layout for your site design, and Shopify has some great free options to start with. On the Design Your Store tile here, let's click Browse Pre-Designed Themes. And I'm going to close this setup guide over on the right. Here you can see that Dawn is our currently installed theme, and it's a pretty popular one. If you want to change it, scroll down until you can see the popular free theme tiles. At the very bottom, you can click Visit Theme Store to see all of the available themes. That will open in a new tab, and you can narrow the list down to just the free themes by checking the free box here on the left-hand side. Here we can see Dawn. If we scroll down, we can see Trade here. This is a popular B2B theme. If we click on any one of these themes, you can see the bigger version. And if it's the one you like, you can click Try Theme. That will bring you back to your dashboard. And in our theme library, we can see that we've just added the refresh theme. Here you can click Publish and Publish again to install this new theme. And if you want to revert back, Dawn is actually the theme that I'll be using in this demo. So in my theme library, I'll click Publish on Dawn and Publish again to swap them out.